In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add HTML code to Wix website. If you have an HTML snippet that you want to display on your Wix site, this is the process you will use. You will be placing the code using Wix's built-in embed tools, which is a straightforward way to add custom content. First, log into your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage your websites and access the editing tools. Take a moment to make sure you are signed in to the correct Wix account, especially if you manage more than one site. Next, go to your Wix editor. From the dashboard, look for your site and choose the option to edit it. The editor is the place where you can add and arrange elements on your pages, including the HTML embed you are about to insert. Now you will click the plus icon, which is labeled Add Elements on the left side. This is the main control for adding new features to your page. When you click it, a menu should open, showing various types of elements you can include. After that, select Embed Code. This option is specifically designed for inserting external or custom code snippets. Choosing this category helps Wix treat your content properly, instead of trying to display it as regular text or media. Then choose Embed HTML. This step makes it clear that you are working with HTML code specifically. Once you select this, Wix will prepare a box or an embed element where you can enter your snippet. Next, click Enter Code on the element. This opens the input area where you can paste your HTML snippet. You may see a text box or a code entry field. This is the exact place where your HTML will be inserted into the page. Now paste your HTML snippet into the box. Make sure the code is complete and correct before you continue. If your snippet includes script tags or other HTML structures, paste them exactly as you have them, without removing any essential parts. After pasting, review the snippet quickly to confirm there are no missing characters or accidental extra spaces that could break the code. Once you have pasted the HTML, click Update. This tells Wix to save the code into the embed element. Taking this step is important because it applies the changes and confirms that Wix accepts the code. After the code updates, you will resize it. In the editor, the embed element may appear with default dimensions. Adjust the size so the content fits neatly within your page layout. If your HTML outputs a specific layout, sizing it correctly helps it look right and prevents it from being cut off. Finally, publish your site. Publishing makes your changes live on the internet, so visitors can actually see the HTML content. Before you publish, it can help to visually check the placement in the editor, making sure it appears where you want it and that it looks correct. And that covers everything you need to know. By following these steps, you can confidently add HTML to your Wix website using the built-in embed tools.